Buffet, to welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast and Suntless. And I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi, the entertainer. Today we are here at Car Gang. Last night I was on the call with Car Gang's owner, Zico. Where's Zico? You know Zico, right? Yeah. Zico, the spinner, the one who spins Cressidas, puts in turbos on Cressidas and all of that. Yeah, him. So I was on the phone with him. We were talking, right? As we were busy talking, he told me that, bro, I opened a shop, and a lot of people are asking me for parts and all of that. So I opened a shop. You must come and visit. And I'm like, a shop, okay. I was confused, but I just said, okay. So now that I'm here, I don't see anything different. I only see the workshop the way I know it. Let's just go and see what he was talking about, because right now I'm here and I don't see anything different. Let's go in. Let's go in and check out what exactly he's been saying he has. So it's a little bit chilly today. So let's enter his office. Car Gang. Sure. Car Gang, bit. Oh, so this is what he's been talking about. This is what Zico has been talking about. Whoa. So I see. Wow, Car Gang. Hey, let me choose the things I want. I want these things, the wiper thingies. I want steering rack ends. I want ball joints. I want, what's this, radiator hole. I want V-arm. I want. Hey, who are you? I want you. Wow, this is nice. We needed something like this. A shop where we could just walk in and buy this E30 small accessories which you cannot find anywhere in the world. Thank you, Car Gang. What else do I need? Let me look for things I need. What else? This BMW covers. That black cover there, I want, because it's the one there on the bumper, valence, yeah. Indicators. What else? Water bottle, I'm gonna want. And this is for the brake fluid. I want. Starter, I want. And what are those? Hello there. What are you? I see gear knob. I see this lid. I see 325 badges. I see BMW badges. I see you guys. I see those guys. And yeah, when I look at, hey, those things you will never find anywhere. Bumpers. I want the bumper. Grills. Beadings. Guys, you know that beadings don't go along with bumpers. If you wanna buy, you're gonna buy beadings separate and you're gonna buy bumpers separate. That's just how it works. Not only here by Zico's shop, but everywhere. Car Gang accessories. Those things I saw at Kucha Works. You put them on your bonnet. Yeah, those things those cushions you put on your bonnet. I'll go inside and show you the inside of one bonnet. You understand what I'm talking about. Hey. Oh, small pedals. Hi, pedalies. How are you, pedals? Are you the brake or the clutch? Wherever you are, hello to you too. Mud flaps and the air vent. This air vent is for the balance. Remember, you put this one on top and that one on the bottom. So you need two different ones. What do I say? Starter motor. Boom, 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 boom. This guy is Kachichi. You call this guy Kachichi. Kachichi, they refer to this person. No one else can beat Kachichi except this guy. Kachichi, boom, 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 boom. Okay, Kachichi, boom. Down here also I see those air vents. And the number plate holder. What's here? Number plate holder for chrome bumper, plastic bumper. What are those? Oh, those covers. The fuse box cover. Yeah, fuse box cover. Great. What else is there? Oh, up there I see the leads and the lips. Lip. Those lips on the bumper lips. And I see the leads. And what else? Rims. I also see tapered cover and some. Oh, and there are also radiators in those boxes. So yeah. And what are those? Backboards? I don't know. So yeah, this is all the things they have here at Car Gang Accessories. You must come and get accessories here. Come and get accessories here. Come get accessories. Now, I'm just going to go through and view what's more in this workshop. I'm just going to go through and view what's more in this workshop. We saw you the last time we were here. Coffee class, man. I think it came in for detailing. Man, more red E30s. This is the home of red E30s. Another one. A bowl. Elingeli nyaka le drop nyana. E drop ngwana ka foto ngwana. E tlo tsabakela mama. Dipolelo. E tlo drop ngwana ka tlo re bakela dipolelo, bona. E tlo re bakela dipolelo. E tlo toping man. E tlo re bakela dipolelo. E lena la bona. Gore o e bitse dono and then go fpele fasiki. Ba ba nna e tlo toping ba ba ke tlo re bakela dipolelo. Le nyaka re bakela dipolelo. Ke ra re le nyaka re bakela dipolelo na. Which I can't go see in front of it. It's too close to the thing. Too close to the wall. So after they did hand detailing your car, they bring it here and they wash it. They give it a nice wash. It looks so good. Other E30 builds. Other. Already I can see that this one is going to become an IS. How do I see that? Spoiler. Bumper, side to side. Bumper. Side this. Side that. Side that. Yeah. But no, man. No, this one they are far from getting this one to be in. No. Hey, far. Ooh. But let me tell you, they might be far. You find that financially they are fine. Then it's nothing for them to build. There to be nice, nothing. Financially, guys. Financially. Financially is the problem. If I was financially, I would have been done with my E30 right now. More space. These ones, I think they were there. Maybe 50. Maybe 50. And this one is nice inside. You guys, you've seen the seats. Yo. Yeah. It's too nice in here. It's too nice. With the multi. What's a multi? What's a multi? Multi. Hey. So se re emišitšeng ke I think they just gave it paint. It looks so clean in the engine bay. This area, car gang, manyora dikoloi, car gang. Hey guys, I get the one college Jack against the raid one. I get the one college against the raid. I get one shop. Red E30s of car gang. I'm where I want you to raise pompa. How are you like a sunroof? Your head is outside to the sunroof. I can tell. Hi, Buffet, my niggas, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna call it a day. Let me leave the red army of Kage. Hey, buddy. Yeah, guys, that is all we have for this episode of Cast and Senseless and Eminas Beautiful Great Finals to be the entertainer. The red army of Kage. Next time when I come here, I want to find you in the finished state, driving, and I get a ride. I don't drive before I get here because you guys will drive out and leave. Don't do it. Wait for me. I'll be back. See you soon. Again. Bye. I love you. Remember do. Bye bye. Bye. One day he said bye and he meant it.